We're looking for about 5.5% growth this coming year, and hopefully 6.5% the year after that.
Which particular issues or bills do you think need priority at the moment?
I'm not talking about financial sector reform, quite honestly, because I think actually India is quite good when it comes to the financial sector. Clearly, at the end of the day, the government is going to have to look at the public sector banks and what happens with the public sector banks, and it's going to have to formulate its policy there. So we watch that with quite some interest.
And lastly, as far as RBI is concerned, they came out with their policy statement just 2 days back, and they clearly said that inflation falls much faster than they expected. So then clearly there is no need for them to go ahead and hike rates, and we might just see softening of rates. So in your view, when could we see the downward movement in interest rates beginning? Do you think it will happen in FY15, or could it be pushed forward? Do you think CPI inflation could act as a spoilsport?
Yes, I think the key thing is, of course, that the RBI is focused very much on CPI, and we need to see CPI rates come down consistently before we can see interest rates come down. And I think that focus on CPI is absolutely correct, because inflation hits the poorest in society the most. Realistically, I don't think we're going to see interest rates come down until the early part of next calendar year.